Welcome to Small Steps. My name's Seth Potts, and I want to show you how to sort with custom list. So there's times when we're going to get information in and you want to sort it a certain way, but what you have doesn't sort well with alphabetical A to Z or Z to A. I think one of the most common examples I've come across is when I have data that comes in with a spelled out month name or day of week. Because in the menu they're just text, so there's not anything that's going to sort oldest to newest or anything like that. So it's just a month name, just a day a week. As you see here, when I sorted it here, A to Z gives you this list, and Z to A is just as useless. So one thing we can do is this custom sort. So I'll click up here on my label, and you can go to the sort button, or just right click and go to sort here, and you see at the bottom there is custom sort, and it brings up this menu here. You can add multiple levels of sorting, anything that you want like that, but for this example we're just doing this one column. So if you had other data going across, any other stats, anything else that might coincide with these months, you would have in this drop down whichever column you'd want to sort by. So if this, we're just going to do the month. We want the cell values, or a couple other cell color, font color, things like that. But we want the month column, we want the cell value, and you see here the normal A to Z, Z to A. Neither of those work for us. We want to put those in order. So when you click on custom list, there are a few that come automatic on this list. The ones that come automatic are the day of week and month, both by their abbreviations and by their full spelled out words. So for this, we're looking at that month, right? So you click on it, you see what it looks like. So it is already built in here for months to have them in order, not alphabetically, but by actual chronological order, beginning of the year to end of the year. So you highlight that list, click OK. It'll show you here what you have. And when you click OK, it orders it in that order. So another thing you might come across, it's kind of hard to tell what you might run into where you want to sort it a certain way, but it just doesn't, Excel doesn't have the capability of having that stored already. A good example I have here is just I know one that I've run across before, doing some more admin work with different officers, has them all listed out, and they wanted them in order. Well, by their rank. So that's not anything that's stored in Excel. So kind of along the same lines, so you have two columns here. We'll do the same thing. Go to the sort, go to the custom sort, and when you get back over here, we want it by the rank, and we don't want A to Z or Z to A. We want that custom list. And you saw down here earlier, I went ahead and created one, but click on that, you can see the order it's in. So you can add a new one, and you can come in and custom type in here. So you can see on here, I could enter, if I wanted deputy chief or anything else, I could add that in there, and that creates this list in the order we have. So this, I've gone in and I've added all the ranks that we have here. Click OK. It shows our order list, and it does it that way. We could also go in, they said there's multiple layers, we could have gone in and done by rank and then by alphabetical for the names within that rank. So it's just a good option when you have something other than your typical A to Z or Z to A sorting you want to do, as a possibility to go ahead and add your own list, or select one of the pre-made ones for month or day of week. If you found this tutorial helpful and would like to see more, click like and subscribe. The next video coming up is over formatting duplicates and removing duplicates.